parking brake is open. And the zero traffic Alpha Whiskey Tango is taxiing to Charlie, holding point runway 28. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Doors are closed. Fuel, we select on the maximum fuel tank, which is slightly on the left side, is the maximum one. Engine parameters are good, and a very good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm Khizr. I hope you all are doing fine and great. So in this video, I'll be showing you what actually happens when it comes to the first solo. So first and foremost, we will hold here. User traffic Alpha Whiskey Tango is holding Charlie 28, confirming the traffic confinals. We always want 5 seconds to assure that maybe someone is approaching and maybe visual clear, they might give us repost response when no one is there. And traffic Alpha Whiskey Tango will interactive and backtrack and with it. Alright, so we are actually done with the pre-lineup checks as well. We just drove our examiner. So I'm going to show you this first circuit. It is actually 11th of December 2025, and after completing 2,300 hours on single engine on a multiple certified or non-certified aircraft, today I'll be flying this Tecnam 92, which is P92 Eco, and for the purpose of endorsement, I'm done with my left conversion, so this is how we are going to fly from the right side. It's a requirement. And Alpha Whiskey Tango will be ready upon reaching the loop. Confirm your traffic on the base, finds runway to it. Alright, slow down, slow walking pace, no hurry, no rush. Always relax yourself. We are done with everything. The only thing I need to check is the flaps, which should be in the takeoff profile. Then 15 degrees good. Trim is already neutral. Fuel flow is good. Okay, and traffic Alpha Whiskey Tango will lining up and rolling runway 28 for departure, right in pattern. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Okay. Door close. Okay. Whiskey Tango rolling. Speed is live. क्योंकि मैं अकेला हूँ, जहाज हल्का होगा तो इसलिए हल्का नोज उठा के रखा है और जल्दी टेक ऑफ कर गया. But nose down. Building the speed 60 knots. Whiskey Tango upwind 28. Alright. Climb gradient ज़्यादा होती है जब आप सोलो होते हो. Landing light off, fuel flow off. Checking the fuel pressure is again on the green arc, touching the right rudder. 65, I'll be maintaining. Slightly nose down, now 70, flaps down. Now I need to make it up, but trimming the aircraft. Alright. Chale Janab. Alpha Whiskey Tango turning right, crossing runway to it. Usual with the aircraft. थोड़ा कम करते हैं पावर क्योंकि हल्का हूँ तो क्लाइंब ग्रेडियंट कोई ज़्यादा ही आ रहा है. तकरीबन हमें 700 फीट पर मिनट मिल रहा है तो 70 फीट बिफोर our desired height. I'll put the nose down.
Mike out of Madras, proceeding Hamla village 900 feet.
Traffic visual and Alpha Whiskey Tango is now turning right. Downwind when we do it for full stop.
मैं कैसे मान लूँ?
5 kilo 600 feet and me patches here on camera. About on shore.
Acha, whenever there is a difference of your desired height by plus minus 50 feet, you don't need to change the power, you just need to readjust the nose. And whenever there is a difference of more than 100 feet, you will readjust the RPM by 2 to 300, like for every 100 feet, you can change your RPM by 300. And if the height difference is more than 200 feet, then we have to proper follow the apt attitude power trim or power attitude trim procedure depending upon where you are from your respective height. So we are approaching the end of the runway threshold, so we'll be doing the landing checks, landing light off, so we should turn it on. Fuel pump should be on, and we reduce the RPM to idle, assuring that we are maintaining the direction, applying a touch of rudder, less than 70, nose down.
During the circuit,
terrain.
Alpha Whiskey Tango is turning right base to 8, full stop. Alright, speed is 65.
side orbiting to the left.
Capture. ये हिसाब है भाई. Ladies and gentlemen, engine parameters are good.
500.
65 500 चेक। थोड़ा मैं लोअर जाऊंगा क्योंकि जो है ना वो है लाइट है, तो ताकि अगर पुश मिलने पे, थर्मल्स मिलने पे ज़्यादा ऊपर ना जाए, बिकॉज फॉर द लास्ट प्रीवियस फ्लाइट बट आई केम टू नो हमें थोड़ा थर्मल जो है ना अपड्राफ्ट मिल रहा है. आई विल ऑन अ सेफ साइड my height I'm gonna maintain 400 if in case of any simulation.
My Kilo 1200 over Alhambra, joining downwind 28.
Wind हमारी almost straight and slightly veering winds है, तो into the wind aileron रखेंगे. And Alpha Whiskey Tango with the finals 28 full stop.
Whiskey Tango, confirm position.
Shot finals. Very nice. थोड़ी wind क्या करिए पता है, nose down करता. थोड़ी wind right से आ रही है. अच्छा, landing में round out करते हैं, parallel fly करने को round out कहते हैं. उसके बाद
Kilo Whiskey Tango, confirm on the final.
shot. Right. ये ले जनाब.
Kilo downwind 28.
Whiskey Tango landed, vacating one Charlie. Alright. And Whiskey Tango, runway clear. Chale Janab, that was one addition milestone in my aviation journey. Now flying from the right side on Tecnam P92 as well. After flying P2008. चले जाएंगे यहाँ से, following the yellow line. After landing checks.
Kilo downwind 28.
Alright. Okay. Parachute flips. हम यहाँ से लेफ्ट लगाएंगे क्योंकि जहाज उन्होंने टेल करके पीछे करना है. Yes, always the checklist. Before startup तो हो गया ना sir? It should be now. After landing, fuel pump, fuel wall, landing light is already off. Fuel pump is off. Fuel pressure बिल्कुल सही है. Flaps already up है. Trim को जरा neutral करते हैं. Meanwhile, parking brake is closed.
Kilo final 28. Touch and go.
अच्छा, एक बात बताया था विस भाई ने यहाँ से राइट से ऑफ